everyone, happy Saturday. Today I have a few things ahead of me. First off, I've just gotten back from the gym. So I had a dance class this morning, and then after that I took the time to practice. Apart from that, today I also have a few things on my to-do list, like budget tracking, planning for our Sydney trip. We've just booked that because I need to go to Sydney to actually renew my passport. I also have to edit a video for my dad. He is having his birthday soon and he's turning 70. My brothers and I have decided to surprise him with like a video with friends and families, you know, still because things right now in the Philippines aren't perfect just yet. By the time that this vlog goes out, he would have already seen it. So it's fine for me to talk about it right now. This morning also I was helping out John with his passport photos. So we're both trying to just fix our passport stuff just because we will be applying for a new visa for Australia, and ours will be expiring a year from now. So I know it's a lot of time, but we wanted to plan ahead because we don't know what COVID's gonna bring still. And that is it really. So if you would like to spend your weekend with me, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so time check, it is now 2 p.m. and I have been editing my dad's birthday video, also just organizing stuff. I also need to edit an invitation for all of the people that we are inviting to the Zoom party. That's what happens when you're the techie one in the family. I'm not really techie, like I said in my last video, I'm not techie. I do want to put a little disclaimer out there as well that I am not a techie person, but I'm quite good with programs, editing programs, obviously, because I studied it in uni. So hopefully I'll be done in like 30 minutes at least for today. I think now it's time for me to shower because I haven't showered since I got in from the gym. Like, I know that's a bit gross, but sometimes that's just the reality of things. We're not pretending over here, we're all real. John's out right now having his photo taken, and then we'll probably find something to do, or I don't know, because we're meant to go bowling in the evening, so I don't imagine he'll want to do a lot of things before then. John's just had his new photo taken for his passport, and now he's looking for a new modeling agency. Someone hit him up, please. Just checking in with you guys, and I hope all is well. We are all having a good weekend too. Whether you're doing a passion project of yours, or spending time with the family, or doing both, or doing all of the things that you want to do, I hope you're having fun. I think I am going to continue doing this series of spend your weekend with me, just like a chill vlog, daily vlog video. I just think it's quite nice to break up my video recordings between all the sit-down videos. At least I have this in between, which kind of shows you more of the behind the scenes of what happens in life, really. I used to do a lot of these vlogs, but they were mostly traveling, and I feel like that's only a small portion of my reality, and I would like to be a bit more, you know, honest about what I do on the daily, if it interests you at all. And if you would like to see what my life is here in Australia, there's a fly still. We always get them. I don't know where they come from. We always do have windows open. But yeah, if you're interested to keep on going in this journey with me, I hope you enjoy it. And if you do, let me know by liking this video so that I know that you also enjoy this type of content besides all of the other more curated content. I'll see you in the next scene. We have finally made it out of the house. This is what I'm wearing. And we are just going for a nice little walk. We are going to end up in a cafe or a hotel bar. Is it? Pub. Yeah. A pub that we've always just passed by and have always thought we should go there, but we never do. But today we finally are. Here's Johnny. I wish I showed them the...
Yeah, you really took a video of the worst part of the walk.
Yeah, we were at the nice area earlier.
Do it again.
I will put a photo here. Yeah. And then now I'll show you how the area looks like.
Chris Hemsworth, all arms, no legs.
Yeah.
Bonk.
I don't think I could do a chin up.
Yeah? Give it a go.
Try.
I go that way, yeah. You should be able to from all your pole work. Yeah. You need to go all the way.
No, I can't.
You want to do a dip?
What's a dip? Oh, the thing.
The thing I did first.
I think my arms are tired. I've been training all day.
Okay.
Let's go. I need sustenance.
My mortal form grows weak. I must have sustenance. Loki, you have betrayed me. Again.
The size of him compared to the brown one.
He's like twice the size.
Yeah. Crazy hair right now because I'm fixing my hair, and we actually just got back from the Stones Corner Hotel, which we hung out at after that walk that you saw earlier. And I'm getting ready because we will be having dinner. John's making food tonight. And after that, we will be going to the bowling place. I haven't been that good with vlogging today. I'm so sorry. It's just a lot of like little things that we've been doing today. So nothing like major in terms of like highlight of the day. That's why I think I keep forgetting about showing you what we're doing. I am just straightening my hair today, which has actually been a lot easier lately since I've gotten a keratin treatment for my hair. I was deciding on it for a long time and thinking about if it was going to be worth it for me. And I think personally it is worth it because I do spend a lot of time getting my hair ready. And if you guys watch the video of how I curl my hair using a flat iron, that is pretty much how I get ready almost every day. If I'm being honest, since I've had this treatment, most of the time washed my hair and let it air dry, and it's been fine. Thing is though, with keratin treatment, it's not meant to last that long. I think it's about 3 to 5 months maybe, depending on your hair structure is. So it has been 4 months now, and I think I might be due for another treatment soon. Yeah, so there we go. That only took me maybe 10-15 minutes to do. Whereas usually I would spend about 45 minutes just getting ready. But that's if my hair is already dried up. And if it's not, it just takes me like an hour and a half. It's just crazy. It's like I have so much hair. I'm gonna show you what I'm wearing tonight. This was what I was wearing as well earlier during the walk. We'll be throwing on a jacket as well because it is going into winter time right now, and so it's a bit cold. So this is what I've been wearing today. I just have these long sleeve turtleneck, and over that I have this crop top that's actually a summer top, but I just put it over because it has these nice pearl looking button details on it, and as well the frills, which I think just gives the top just a bit more of a character. Layering in wintertime, not a bad idea. I was planning on wearing a coat as well, which will look like this. Yeah. So this coat is from Target. Dinner is ready, and now I need to head out to the dining table. I'll see you guys in the next scene. Quick outfit change. Changed my mind about that dusty mirror. Changed my mind about those jeans. I really was feeling a little like just conscious because it didn't really look flattering on me. So I've now switched to just these darker jeans from Cotton On. So I changed my outfit with the jeans as you saw earlier, and as it turns out, we kind of match. We're that couple. No, he's just gonna put like a thingy on.
Put a shirt on.
Yeah. And he was also meant to wear a brown jacket.
Brown jacket.
Well, he was wearing a brown jacket earlier. Doesn't want to be the same as me.
So I'll put this jacket away.
Because I was gonna wear this. It's just a nice comfy jacket.
Oh no.
So, this is the full look. We are going bowling now, and we'll be driving there. So yeah, it's a pretty sweet deal actually. I think it's $28 for 2 games of bowling for us both. And then I think it comes with drinks as well. Well, drinks is in like soda and arcade games.
Bonk.
All right, we're off. Welcome, Jonathan. So who won?
I did.
Yeah, he won the first game, but we have a second game. So we'll see.
All to play for.
We're even now. You won the first round.
Yeah, it doesn't feel even.
Why is that?
I said it doesn't feel even.
No, why is that?
Well,
Because I said yeah.
Yeah, you said the highest score.
Later that same evening.
Hey everyone, we just got home from the bowling place. That's been our day today, a Saturday. I hope you all have enjoyed spending this day with us, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button below. It was so much fun, and if you are around any of the areas of I think it's called zone bowling. It's actually kind of similar to time zone in the Philippines, but except that they actually have like bowling spaces. If you're close to any places like that and are looking for an activity for the evening or for the day, for the weekend, definitely check out their website because they did have some offers on there. I think for what we got it on offer on the website, and if you had chosen to get it in store, you would have not had the arcade games included with it, so it was quite fun. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed spending this day with me. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I hope you continue to support the channel. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.